Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have QCY T5 wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on them. You might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If your earbuds will not connect to your device, or they won't sync, or they won't pair with Bluetooth, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, or if they seem to be not responding, any kind of issues like that can be fixed very often with a hard reset. The other reason is if you just want to get them to forget all of their pairing history so that you can set them up on a new device, we can go ahead and do that. The first thing to do is to just go ahead on whatever device you've had them on before and delete them off of that phone or whatever. Once you do that, you can pick up your earbuds and then you're going to want to come and press and hold the back of them for 8 seconds until the lights on them glow red for 2 seconds and then turn off. This is forcing our earbuds to turn off. Once we do that, we're going to come in and press and hold again on the back of both earbuds for 10 seconds until these lights blink red, green 3 times and then start to blink red, indicating that the hard reset to factory default settings is complete.